Hello guys, it is Murray from Murray's Funland, and today there's a new Ragdoll update! They added holes. They added boxes with fireworks, whatever those things are. They added freaking Bella the Bunny. But what we're really here for today is the new update. It's insane. There's literally dances from nearly every single dance you can think about in Roblox. And yep, even some Fortnite ones, if you have that stupid freaking path that requires stupid Robux. So let's try a dance out. We're gonna try Jiggle Jiggle. What the hell is...
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it falls. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble dribble, you know.
Yeah, it makes me want to dribble into Bacon's head. Let's dance with them. Let's dance with you, right? Whoever you are. You can even dance with people! Yeah! Hey! Who the heck is this prepping? Hey! Sigma boys in the hot air balloon flying away on... Oh my god! Amazed! Funland! Oh my god! What's happening? Oh no! Stop moving! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god! We're going north! Mask off! Mask off! Mask off! Mask off! So yeah guys, this update is insane. But you know what's even more insane? Me about to explode dancing as well! Whoa! Right guys, that will have to be it for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and turn on the beautiful notification bell, and be the first to watch my newest videos, and including this one. To subscribe, click the red button that says subscribe, and then it will say subscription added if it's successfully done it. But before we go, I have one more dance to do.